What's your problem, Austin?
It's where I come down from Cameroon.
You come down from Cameroon?
Yes.
What's happening to you?
My cassava is paining me.
Your servant.
My cassava is paining me.
Your cassava
Yes.
is paining you.
Yes.
Your cassava.
Yes.
He say what?
My.
Kusi can speak louder. What do you call? He say what?
Even not more.
Repeat it again. What you tell me? He say what? You are,
God have mercy
your
upon us.
cassava.
Yes.
Is it what?
It's paining me.
Speak louder.
It's paining me.
Is it what? Your cassava is paining you.
Yes.
How long?
Almost 5 months now.
What is cassava? What is your cassava? What is cassava? Speak louder. Let me know what I do.
Apple.
Can you name me? Come on, shut up there. You say what?
Ikem na fumu yenja nyuma amele.
Ike. I don't understand this one.
Are you playing? What type of playing? This is playing.
Oh, who is this man?
You know.
Can you fabric cassava?
I'm na fumu for this.
Your penis.
Your penis is penning you.
This one a cup of tea.